Okay, welcome to IFA, and this is my Connect Live. Oh, where are you going? You're staying inside, sir. Get in. Go on, there you go. Come in, come in, come in. Nothing's as important as this. All right, see you later, sir. See you later. Hi, everyone. Hey, nice to see you. Welcome to my Connect Live corner. I'm going to let you in on all of my little secrets about making my everyday life simpler, easier, and stress-free with my connected appliances that connect and adapt to my lifestyle, but not just mine, everyone in my family as well. So make yourselves at home, guys, make yourselves comfortable, but it's been a very busy morning, so I'm gonna just go into the kitchen and put this down. So follow me, come in guys, follow me, in we go. There we go, in you come, follow me, come round. There you go, in you come. Oh, lovely to come, hi, hey. Oh, you came, hi, nice to see you. Right, telling you what I am looking forward to tonight. I've got some friends coming over, so just been shopping and I got the good stuff. There we go. Well, it's ladies' night, so I've got to treat them and it was on offer. Now, I do need to do a little bit of cooking as well. Hope you don't mind. So I was thinking some freshly made bread. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? So I'm going to put in bread here to my app. There we go, and it comes up with loads of recipes for bread. Now I should say that you don't need to have this in your kitchen, don't worry. This is all done on your mobile phone and on the app. So what should we go for? Whole wheat bread? Whole wheat? It's nice, yeah, we'll do that one, whole wheat. So there's the recipe, there we go. Oh, and it even says that it'll shoot some jets of steam into my oven so I get a nice crispy edge and I look like a professional baker. Right, that looks easy. Well, let's see how smart my appliances really are, shall we? Alexa, tell Connect Live to preheat my oven.
Your oven is preheating to 200 degrees Celsius.
Perfect, so well behaved. Shame not everything works quite so well. So while that's getting to 200 degrees, my correct heat, I'm going to tell you about something very important, my wine. Oh, I do love wine. Do you like wine? Oh, yeah. Very unenthusiastic reception there. More of a gin man, are you? Okay, well, I love wine, but I have a huge cellar here full of wine. I'm always buying it, but I lose track. I lose track of what wines I have, so this is a lifesaver. This is my wine inventory. Here we go. So I'm just going to type on this. Now, all I need to do is take a photo of the label. There we go. And I save it. And this is all done through Vivino database. So it's scanning all of that information on the label. There we go, just gonna tick that and send it through. And it even says how to store it, how to serve it. So there we go, and it's giving a bit more information. So yep, I will save that. And it even asks me where. Oh, preheat has reached, fantastic. So my oven has got to the right temperature. So I'll do that in 1 second, because I want to save 1 bottle of wine to section 4. A4, so I'm going to put that in there and I'll know where it is for next time. Okay, so like I said, my oven has got to the right temperature. So I'm going to go back to my recipe. Where is it? Back. There we go. Whole wheat bread. So all I need to do is send that through to my oven. Very simple. I press start and it sends that through and it begins cooking for me, which is very, very handy. So that starts cooking. And I can get on with other things like putting my groceries away. So let's just put this away. It's been a very busy morning. There we go. And oh, honestly, I knew I'd forget something. Alexa, add eggs and milk to my shopping list.
I've added eggs and milk to your shopping list.
So that's coming. You're coming tonight, aren't you? You're coming tonight. Yes, she is coming. Brilliant, because I've made food for you, so I hope you are. Okay, so that's bread, the wine's in there, I think that's doing it. Oh dear, I've left the fridge door open, but good job I have my handy reminder to tell me. So there we go. Now speaking of my fridge, gentlemen, this is how much I like wine. This is my dictionary, my wine inventory of all the wines that I have. I've taken photos, and it's all there, so I know what's there. So I'm thinking, what do we want tonight? Maybe a Pinot Noir? Pinot Noir, that would be nice. Okay, we'll go for Pinot Noir. There we go, so I have 2, got 1. So I'm gonna take 1 bottle out, and that's gonna be an A4, so I know exactly where to get that. There we go. And that is my Pinot Noir. So I'm going to let that get to room temperature before my friends come over. But it's been a very long morning, so I think I'm just going to take a little sit down. So guys, follow me into the living room. Come on, here we go. Follow me into the living room. Let's have a nice sit down. Oh, there we go. Let's have a nice sit down. Come on, sir. Sir, come and have a sit down. Someone else, come and have a sit down. Come and have a sit down. There we go. That took a long time. Nice relax, right? It's nice. You've got the privileged position of sitting here. This is lovely. Now, my little camera up here actually recognises my face, and it immediately turns my TV on, which is fantastic. And the first thing that comes up is some notifications, but no, I'll do that tomorrow. We're going to watch the football.
Oh,
yay! And look, we're even sponsoring it next year. Oh, but it's nice to have a relax, isn't it? This is lovely. Take the weight off of your feet, especially after last night. Oh, look, my dish is ready. Brilliant. Good reminder. So there we go. Oh dear, nice to have a little relax though. You like the football? Oh, no, look, I sit down for 5 minutes and I've got to go and get the kids. Good job it reminded me though. But this is one less thing I have to worry about. I can do my shopping here rather than dragging the kids out. So it's the eggs and the milk, yeah, the wine. Okay, I'll buy that now. Right, well sorry guys, I know we're enjoying ourselves, but I do need to get ready. But I have one more thing to show you. Follow me. Come into the laundry room, guys. Follow me. Come in. Come in. That's it. Come in, guys. There we go. Gather round. There we go. Oh, no. Oh, sorry. That's really embarrassing. I thought I'd done a wash before you guys came round. That's embarrassing. I'm just going to put a quick one on now. There we go. I don't know about you guys, but I hate doing the laundry. Do you hate it? I hate it. Do you love it?
Yeah.
You can do it next time then. Because I hate it. I hate the laundry. But this makes things a lot easier. So here I'm going to do my washing wizard. So this is a bit of a questionnaire that it takes me through to help me. So it was towels. Okay, it was white. What kind of clothes? Dirty. Sensitive medium. Any special stains? Wine. There we go. So this gives me my recommended settings, which is fantastic because maybe I'm coming home from work and I can press start and it begins immediately. All that information is transferred over to my washing machine, and if I want to do the drying, it'll transfer that over to my dryer as well. Now that's not the real reason I brought you in here, guys. Come here. Come closer. Come here. Come here. This is my magic mirror. Come closer, please. Come closer. You need to look at yourselves, your beautiful selves. Now, this isn't just any mirror. That's very closer. This isn't just any mirror. I can actually weigh myself, and it tells me my BMI, my fat content, but this is what I do every morning. This is my skin routine. So I'm going to see how hydrated my face is. So I'm going to hold this little gadget to my face. There we go. And we'll see how long that takes. There we go. How hydrated am I? Oh dear, I'm dry. I've not had enough water. That will be last night. Right. Someone to come forward to me. There you go, sir. You can come here. Come here.
Lovely guy.
Yeah. Let's see how much you had to drink last night. Let's see your hand. Here we go. Let's see. Let's start the test. Good luck, sir. Here we go. Oh, a little bit better, but someone needs some water. Okay. Now, who's going to be brave and do under the eye? Come on, sir. Come here. Yeah. I want to
Just don't touch my eye, okay?
You can do it yourself then. So just push it under the eye. There you go. Press it in. There we go. Here he goes. How much did he have to drink? Oh,
not bad, huh?
A moist eye. Very nice. Well done. He's been drinking a lot. He's been using the cream, yeah? You tell me what eye cream you're using. Right, guys, now I know we're having a good time, but I really have to go and get the kids, okay? So follow me out of the laundry. I need to show you one more thing, and I've really got to go and get the kids. Right, so this is my other magic mirror, so I can have a look just before I go out. And then I can just check the route to go and get the kids, okay? I'm going to do that. Perfect. Right, well, I'm sorry, guys. I've got to leave you, but help yourselves to bread, and you know where the wine is. So I'm just going to have to leave you, all right? And don't worry, I'll have peace of mind that you'll be completely safe when I leave you, because I'm closing this with my fingerprint, so very secure. And when I close it, the security settings will go up, the lights will go down, and I'll have peace of mind that you'll be safe and sound in here. Well, thank you guys. That's been a short but sweet journey through the world of Connect Life. There are loads of devices. I've only shown you a few, so please do stay and talk to all of us afterwards. But remember to live your life simplified every day, because smart technology is equal smarter living. Okay, thank you very much, guys.